Good morning, students. I welcome all of you to my second class. So yesterday I have taught you about adjective along with its type. So today I am going to teach you about comparison of adjective. So we all know what is the meaning of comparison. Comparison means to be compared. So when we talk about comparison of adjectives, there are three kinds. Number one is positive, number two comparative, and number three is superlative. So when we talk about positive, positive means the beginning word. In comparative, what happens? We compare between two, and in superlative we compare between more than two. And when we look at this comparative and superlative form, in comparative, when we are comparing, we will use the word than after the comparative adjective, and in superlative we will use the before the superlative adjective. For example, for positive, for example, we can write it as positive degree. He is a tall boy. This tall is the beginning word for positive. In comparative degree, we can write it as he is taller than him. This is the comparative form. And in superlative, we can write it as he is the tallest boy. So over here in comparative, we can see we have used this word than after this word, and in superlative we have used the before this superlative degree. So till now we have learned about positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Now we will learn how to change the positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. So number one is adding er or est. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. Number one, bright. So when we are changing this word bright into comparative and superlative, in comparative we will add er, and in superlative we will add est. So the first one is adding er or est. Now second one is adding r or st. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. Example, white. So as you can see here, this white is ending with the letter E. So over here we don't have to add E again. So when we change this into comparative and superlative, in comparative we will just add R, and in superlative we will just add est. So till now we have done 2 rules. So now this is number 3. And in number 3, how we are going to change it? In number 3, we will change it in this way. If your word is ending with y, your y will change into I. And after that, in comparative, we will add IER, and in superlative, we will add IEST. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. Like happy. Over here you can see your word is ending with y. So when you will change this into comparative and superlative, this y will change into I. And in comparative we will add IER, and in superlative it will become IEST. For example, HAPPIER, happier in comparative, and in superlative it will become happiest. So number 4 is doubling the last letter and adding ER and EST. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. For example, big. So in this case, what we will do? In this case, we will double the last letter. And how we are going to double it? If your word is ending with a consonant, and before the consonant, if your letter is vowel, that time we have to double the last letter. For example, big, in comparative it will become bigger, and in superlative it will become biggest. For this, another example, we can write it as fat. Over here also you can see this word is ending with consonant, and before the consonant there is a vowel. So over here also we will double the last letter. So in comparative it will become fatter, and in superlative it will become fattest. So in number 5 will be adding more in comparative and most in superlative. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. And when do we add more or most? For example, in positive degree, if your word has got more than 2 sounds, that time in comparative we will add more, and in superlative we will add most. So in 5 rule we will add more or most in comparative and superlative. For example, positive, beautiful. Over here you can see that this word has more than 2 sounds. So in this long words we will add more in comparative form and most in superlative form. For example, beautiful will be more beautiful, and in superlative we will write it as most beautiful. And the last one is where the entire words will be different. And in this rule number 6, we will not add ER, EST in any of the comparative or superlative, but in this rule 6, the entire words will be changed. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. Number 1. Good. The comparative degree of good will be better and the superlative degree will be best. Another example, we can write it as far, further and furthest. So when we talk about comparison of adjectives is mainly positive, comparative and superlative. But the thing we have to know or understand is that when we change the comparative word into the positive word into comparative and superlative, there are 6 rules, and these 6 rules we have to follow when we get particular words in positive form. This much for today. Hope you understood what I taught you. So in the next class, I will be present before you with some other topics. Thank you.